The equator is an imaginary line that circles the Earth, dividing it into the northern and southern hemispheres. It's located at 0 degrees latitude and stretches over 24,000 miles. This unique position means that regions along the equator experience a tropical climate, characterized by warm temperatures and high humidity year-round. One fascinating aspect of the equator is its biodiversity. Countries like Ecuador, Brazil, and Indonesia are home to some of the richest ecosystems on the planet, including the Amazon rainforest and the Galapagos Islands. The equatorial region also experiences consistent daylight, with nearly 12 hours of sunlight every day, which contributes to its lush vegetation and vibrant wildlife. Additionally, the Coriolis effect, caused by the Earth's rotation, is minimal at the equator, which means that weather patterns, like hurricanes, tend to form away from this region. This makes the equator a unique area for studying climate and weather phenomena. Understanding the equator is crucial for grasping global geography, climate systems, and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. The Suez Canal, completed in 1869, revolutionized global trade by connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. This engineering marvel drastically reduced the journey between Europe and Asia, eliminating the need for the lengthy trip around Africa. The canal stretches about 120 miles and was the brainchild of French diplomat Ferdinand de Lesseps, who faced immense challenges, including political tensions and labor shortages. Interestingly, the canal's construction involved over 1 million workers, many of whom faced harsh conditions. The Suez Canal has not only been a vital trade route but also a focal point of geopolitical conflict, notably during the Suez Crisis of 1956, when Egypt nationalized the canal, leading to military intervention by Britain, France, and Israel. Today, it remains one of the busiest waterways in the world, with thousands of ships passing through annually, underscoring its enduring significance in maritime history. Imagine standing in a serene landscape, where the air is thick with anticipation. The sky, heavy with clouds, holds back a gentle promise of rain. Yet, instead of droplets, a soft mist envelopes the earth, creating what we call dry rain. This phenomenon occurs when humidity rises, and the atmosphere becomes saturated, allowing water vapor to condense without falling as liquid. As nature enthusiasts, we appreciate how this unique occurrence nourishes the environment. The moisture clings to leaves, replenishing plants and providing a delicate drink to the thirsty soil. It's a reminder of nature's subtle balance, where even the absence of traditional rain can sustain life. In these moments, we can reflect on the intricate connections within ecosystems, where every drop, even in its invisible form, plays a vital role. Embrace the tranquility of dry rain, a gentle whisper of nature's resilience. All thanks to God, the Almighty Allah.
Imagine a star millions of light years away, suddenly bursting into a brilliant explosion. This phenomenon, known as a supernova, occurs when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel. The core collapses under gravity, triggering a cataclysmic release of energy. In mere moments, it can outshine entire galaxies. The remnants scatter across the cosmos, seeding new stars and planets with essential elements like carbon and oxygen. This cycle of destruction and creation is nature's way of recycling, reminding us that even in death, stars play a crucial role in the universe's grand tapestry. Rivers in the ocean. Sounds like a contradiction, doesn't it? But these hidden currents, often referred to as submarine rivers, are fascinating phenomena that challenge our understanding of marine environments. Picture this. Beneath the surface of the ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates, there are rivers flowing along the seafloor, carrying sediment and nutrients just like their terrestrial counterparts. These underwater rivers form in areas where the ocean floor has a steep slope. When heavy sediments accumulate, they can create a dense flow of water that moves rapidly down the slope, carving out channels in the seabed. This process is similar to how a river carves its path through land. But here, the water is often saltier and denser than the surrounding ocean water, allowing it to flow like a river. One of the most remarkable examples is the underwater river in the Black Sea. Here, A river of brine flows along the seabed, creating a stark contrast to the lighter, fresher water above. This brine is so dense that it can create a visible boundary, almost like a glass wall separating two different worlds. Scientists have studied these currents to understand their impact on marine ecosystems and sediment transport. But it's not just the Black Sea. The Gulf of Mexico hosts a similar phenomenon known as the River of Mud. This underwater river is formed by sediment-laden water flowing down from the continental shelf. As it travels, it shapes the ocean floor, creating intricate patterns and features that are still being explored by researchers today. These underwater rivers play a crucial role in the ocean's health. They help distribute nutrients, support marine life, and even influence climate patterns. The mixing of different water layers can affect everything from local weather systems to global ocean currents. It's a reminder of how interconnected our planet is, where even the smallest currents can have far-reaching effects. Exploring these submarine rivers is no easy task. The depths of the ocean are challenging to navigate, and the technology required to study them is constantly evolving. Researchers use remotely operated vehicles and advanced sonar mapping to uncover the mysteries of these underwater flows. Each discovery adds a new layer to our understanding of ocean dynamics. So, the next time you think about rivers, don't just picture them winding through valleys and forests. Remember that beneath the waves, there are rivers flowing in silence, shaping the ocean floor and sustaining life in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. The ocean is full of surprises, and these hidden rivers are just one of the many wonders waiting to be explored.
Imagine a creature that has roamed the earth for over 500 million years, yet remains a mystery to many. Meet the velvet worm, a fascinating anomaly of the animal kingdom. With its soft, velvety skin and segmented body, this ancient invertebrate is neither a worm nor a mollusk, but belongs to its own unique phylum. These remarkable beings thrive in humid, leaf-littered environments, using their slime-producing glands to ensnare unsuspecting prey. Picture this, a velvet worm stealthily creeping through the underbrush, then launching a sticky projectile to immobilize its target. It's like something out of a science fiction novel. Their reproductive habits are equally intriguing. Velvet worms engage in a unique courtship dance, where males present a gift of sperm to females, often wrapped in a protective casing. This ensures the survival of their species, showcasing a level of complexity that rivals many mammals. As we delve deeper into their world, we uncover their ancient lineage, connecting us to a time when life was vastly different. The velvet worm is not just a relic of the past, it's a living testament to evolution's creativity, reminding us of the wonders that still exist in our natural world.
Imagine gliding down a pristine slope, the wind rushing past you, and the thrill of skiing filling your veins. But what if I told you there's a twist to this exhilarating experience? Enter the world of helium skiing, a concept that sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but is rooted in fascinating science. Helium, the second lightest element in the universe, is most commonly known for filling balloons and making voices squeaky. But when it comes to skiing, helium takes on a whole new role. The idea is simple yet intriguing. By using helium-filled balloons or even specialized suits, skiers can reduce their weight, allowing them to float effortlessly down the slopes. This isn't just about novelty. It's about exploring the limits of what's possible in winter sports. Now let's break down the science. Helium is lighter than air, which means it can create lift. When skiers harness this lift, they can experience a sensation akin to flying. Imagine the rush of skiing combined with the buoyancy of floating. It's a unique blend of gravity-defying fun and adrenaline. But there's more to it than just the thrill. The physics behind helium skiing involves understanding buoyancy, lift, and how these forces interact with gravity. Skiing with helium isn't just about the experience. It also opens up discussions about the future of winter sports. As technology advances, we might see more innovative approaches to skiing. Imagine suits that integrate helium technology, allowing skiers to navigate steep slopes with ease or even perform tricks that were previously thought impossible. The potential for creativity in this sport is limitless. However, helium skiing isn't without its challenges. Safety is paramount. Skiers must be aware of their surroundings and the potential risks of using helium. The altitude can affect how helium behaves, and skiers need to ensure they don't lose control while trying to harness this unique element. Plus, there's the environmental aspect to consider. Helium is a finite resource, and its extraction can have ecological impacts. Responsible use and sustainable practices will be crucial as this concept evolves. As we explore the mystery of helium skiing, we also delve into the broader implications of merging science with sports. It's a reminder that innovation often comes from thinking outside the box. Who would have thought that a gas used in party balloons could revolutionize a beloved winter pastime? In the end, helium skiing is more than just a quirky idea. It's a testament to human creativity and our desire to push boundaries. It challenges us to rethink what's possible in sports and encourages us to embrace the unexpected. So, the next time you're on the slopes, think about the science behind your experience. Who knows? You might just find yourself dreaming of a day when helium skiing becomes the norm, transforming the way we enjoy winter sports forever.
There's something truly captivating about caterpillars. These little creatures, often overlooked, are nature's own enigmas. They start their lives as tiny eggs, and once they hatch, they emerge as these soft, squishy larvae. But what's fascinating is how they transform from these seemingly mundane beings into stunning butterflies or moths. This metamorphosis is one of nature's most remarkable processes. Caterpillars are voracious eaters. They munch on leaves, flowers, and even fruits, consuming up to 27,000 times their body weight in just a few weeks. This rapid growth is essential because they need to store energy for their transformation. It's almost like they're preparing for a grand performance, and the stage is set for their incredible change. As they grow, caterpillars go through several stages called instars. Each time they shed their skin, they reveal a larger, more developed body. This process is called molting, and it's not just about getting bigger, it's a crucial part of their development. Each instar brings them closer to their final form, and with each molt, they become more vibrant and colorful, showcasing patterns that can be both beautiful and, in some cases, a warning to predators. But the real magic happens when they enter the pupal stage. Once they're ready, they find a safe spot and spin a silk thread to anchor themselves. Then, they shed their skin one last time, revealing a chrysalis or pupa. Inside this protective casing, they undergo a transformation that's almost like a science fiction story. Their bodies break down into a kind of soup, and from this, new structures begin to form. Wings, antennae, and even the intricate patterns that make each butterfly unique emerge from this process. This transformation can take days to weeks, depending on the species and environmental conditions. It's a vulnerable time, as they are completely defenseless. Yet, this is also when they are at their most miraculous. Emerging from the chrysalis, they pump fluid into their wings, allowing them to expand and dry. This moment is a testament to resilience and change, a reminder that beauty often comes from a period of struggle. Caterpillars also play a crucial role in our ecosystem. As they feed, they help to prune plants, promoting new growth. They serve as a food source for birds and other wildlife, and their presence indicates a healthy environment. The transformation into butterflies or moths also contributes to pollination, aiding in the reproduction of many plants. So, the next time you see a caterpillar, take a moment to appreciate the mystery and wonder of its life. From its humble beginnings to its breathtaking transformation, it's a powerful reminder of nature's ability to create beauty from the most unexpected places. Each caterpillar carries within it the potential for something extraordinary, a true marvel of the natural world.
Tadpoles are one of nature's most fascinating transformations. Imagine starting your life as a tiny, swimming creature, completely different from what you'll eventually become. These little guys are the larval stage of frogs and toads, and they're packed with surprises. When a frog lays its eggs, they're often found in clusters, floating on the water's surface. Each egg is a tiny, jelly-like sphere, and within days, they hatch into tadpoles. At this stage, they're primarily aquatic, with long tails and no legs. Their bodies are designed for swimming, and they have gills that allow them to breathe underwater. It's like they're little fish darting around in ponds and streams. As they grow, tadpoles undergo a remarkable transformation known as metamorphosis. This process is not just a simple change, it's a complete overhaul. Their bodies begin to develop legs, first the hind legs followed by the front legs. The tail gradually shortens, and their gills are replaced by lungs. It's a dramatic shift, and it's all driven by hormones. The tadpole's diet also changes during this time. Initially, they're herbivores munching on algae and plant matter. But as they start to develop into frogs, they become carnivorous, feasting on insects and other small creatures. What's truly captivating is how tadpoles adapt to their environment. In some cases, if the water dries up, certain species can develop faster, transforming into frogs before they would normally be ready. This survival strategy is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Tadpoles also play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help control algae growth in ponds, contributing to a balanced aquatic environment. Plus, they serve as a food source for various predators, including fish, birds, and even some mammals. The mystery of tadpoles doesn't just lie in their transformation, but also in their behavior. They communicate with each other through subtle movements and changes in color. When threatened, some species can even release a chemical that makes them taste bad to predators. As they emerge from the water as frogs, they enter a whole new world. They'll spend part of their lives in water and part on land, showcasing their adaptability. This dual existence is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life. Tadpoles are a symbol of change and resilience, embodying the idea that transformation can lead to incredible new beginnings. Their journey from water to land is not just a biological process. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and the wonders of nature. Each tadpole is a tiny miracle, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of life.
The Metroid Belt, a region shrouded in intrigue and speculation, has captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This vast expanse of space, located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, is not just a collection of asteroids, it's a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. First off, let's talk about the sheer scale of it. The Metroid Belt is home to millions of asteroids, ranging from tiny pebbles to massive rocks several hundred kilometers wide. These celestial bodies are remnants from the early solar system, leftovers from the formation of planets. Imagine billions of years ago, when our solar system was still a chaotic swirl of dust and gas. The asteroids in the belt are like time capsules, holding clues about the conditions that existed during the birth of our planetary neighborhood. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Metroid Belt is its potential for resources. Some asteroids are rich in metals like nickel and iron, while others contain water ice. This raises the tantalizing possibility of mining these asteroids for materials that could support future space exploration. Water, for instance, could be converted into hydrogen and oxygen, providing fuel and breathable air for astronauts venturing deeper into the cosmos. The idea of harvesting resources from the Metroid Belt isn't just science fiction, it's a very real consideration for the future of space travel. But it's not just about resources. The Metroid Belt also serves as a natural laboratory for studying the history of our solar system. Scientists analyze the composition and structure of these asteroids to gain insights into planetary formation and evolution. Some asteroids even show signs of having been altered by collisions, which can tell us about the violent history of our solar system. Each rock has a story to tell, and researchers are eager to listen. Now, let's delve into the mystery of the belt itself. Why is it that these asteroids remain clustered in this specific region? The answer lies in gravitational dynamics. The gravitational pull of nearby planets, particularly Jupiter, plays a crucial role in shaping the belt. Jupiter's immense gravity prevents the asteroids from coalescing into a larger planet. Instead, they remain in a delicate balance, orbiting the Sun in a dance that has persisted for eons. And then there's the question of life. Could there be microbial organisms lurking in the icy depths of these asteroids? Some scientists speculate that asteroids could serve as carriers of life, transporting organic materials across the solar system. The discovery of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, on Earth fuels this speculation. If life can exist in the harshest environments on our planet, who's to say it couldn't survive in the cold vacuum of space? As we continue to explore the Metroid Belt, we're not just uncovering the secrets of the past, we're also paving the way for the future. With advancements in technology, missions to study these asteroids are becoming more feasible. The potential for discovery is immense, and each mission could bring us closer to understanding our place in the universe. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that the Metroid Belt is not just a collection of rocks. It's a gateway to understanding the origins of our solar system, the potential for resources, and perhaps even the existence of life beyond Earth. The mysteries of the Metroid Belt are waiting to be explored, and who knows what revelations lie just beyond our reach.
The Asteroid Belt, a vast expanse of rocky debris, lies between Mars and Jupiter, and it's a treasure trove of cosmic mysteries. Picture this: millions of asteroids, ranging from tiny pebbles to massive bodies hundreds of kilometers wide, all orbiting the Sun in a region that's both chaotic and beautiful. But how did this belt come to be? The prevailing theory suggests that the asteroid belt is a remnant from the early solar system, a time when our planets were forming. As the dust and gas coalesced, most of the material clumped together to form the planets we know today. However, the gravitational pull of nearby Jupiter was so strong that it disrupted the formation of a planet in this region. Instead of a new world, we got a belt of asteroids, each with its own unique history. These rocky remnants are not just random chunks of space rock. They hold clues to the origins of our solar system. Some of the largest asteroids like Ceres, Vesta, and Pallas are considered protoplanets, meaning they never fully formed into planets. Ceres in particular is fascinating. It's the only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system and has been found to contain water ice beneath its surface, hinting at the possibility of past or even present life. As we explore the asteroid belt, we uncover more about the building blocks of planets. Many of these asteroids are rich in metals like nickel and iron, which could be valuable resources for future space missions. Imagine a future where we mine asteroids for materials to build spacecraft or even habitats on Mars. The potential is staggering. But the asteroid belt isn't just a static collection of rocks. It's dynamic and ever-changing. Collisions between asteroids can create smaller fragments, leading to a cascade of new asteroids. Some of these fragments can even be nudged out of the belt and into orbits that cross Earth's path, which raises important questions about planetary defense. Understanding the asteroid belt helps us assess the risks of potential impacts on our planet. And let's not forget the thrill of discovery. Missions like NASA's Dawn spacecraft have provided us with unprecedented insights into these ancient bodies. Dawn orbited Vesta and Ceres, revealing their surfaces, compositions, and histories. Each new finding adds a piece to the puzzle of our solar system's past. The asteroid belt is a reminder of the chaotic beauty of our universe. It's a place where we can study the remnants of creation, the leftovers from the birth of our solar system. As we continue to explore, who knows what other secrets these rocky wanderers hold? The mystery of the asteroid belt is far from solved, and that's what makes it so captivating.
I stand here at the edge of this towering giant, the volcano. Its mystery and power have captivated mankind for centuries. But what lies beneath its fiery facade? What secrets does it hold within its depths? As I gaze into the churning cauldron of molten rock, I can't help but wonder about the forces at play. Volcanoes are nature's way of releasing pent-up energy from within the Earth's core. The magma, a molten mixture of rock, gas, and crystals, rises from deep within the Earth, seeking an escape route to the surface. When the pressure becomes too great, the volcano erupts, unleashing a spectacle of destruction and creation. The lava flows like a fiery river, carving new landscapes and shaping the world around us. But the mystery doesn't end there. Scientists study volcanoes to unlock their secrets, to predict their behavior, and protect those who live in their shadow. By monitoring seismic activity, gas emissions, and ground deformation, they strive to understand the volcano's inner workings and provide early warnings of potential eruptions. But despite our advances in technology, the volcano remains an enigma, a reminder of nature's raw power and unpredictability. It serves as a humbling reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things, a force that demands respect and awe. So, as I stand here, in the presence of this majestic and fearsome wonder, I can't help but feel a sense of reverence and curiosity. The mystery of the volcano beckons me to delve deeper, to unravel its secrets, and to marvel at the beauty and danger that coexist within its fiery heart.
Ever wondered about the mysterious dance happening inside our cells every day? It's called mitosis, and let me tell you, it's a real showstopper. Picture this. Your cells, tiny powerhouses that make up your body, are constantly dividing and multiplying through this intricate process. First up, we have prophase, where the DNA in the nucleus condenses into chromosomes, getting ready for the big split. Next comes metaphase, where these chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell, like performers on a stage, getting ready for their big moment. Then, it's time for anaphase, where the chromosomes are pulled apart by spindle fibers, like a magic trick unfolding before your eyes. And finally, in telophase, the cell starts to pinch in the middle, creating two separate cells, each with its own set of chromosomes. But wait, the show isn't over yet. After mitosis comes cytokinesis, where the cell fully splits into two, completing the whole process. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance routine, but on a microscopic level. And the best part? Mitosis isn't just about cell division. It's crucial for growth, repair, and maintaining the balance in our bodies. So, next time you feel like you're not growing or healing, just remember the incredible mitosis mystery happening inside you every single day. So, there you have it, the fascinating world of mitosis, where cells divide and conquer in a mesmerizing spectacle that keeps our bodies in perfect harmony. It's a mystery worth exploring, a dance worth watching, and a process that truly showcases the wonders of life at its most fundamental level. Have you ever stopped to ponder the mysterious nature of matter? It's a mind-boggling concept that has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. At its core, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. But what exactly is it made of? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of atoms. Picture this. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, the tiny particles that make up everything around us. They consist of even smaller components called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons carry a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and electrons are negatively charged. These particles come together to form the nucleus of an atom, with electrons whizzing around in orbits. But here's where it gets really interesting. Despite their small size, atoms are mostly empty space. That's right, if you were to magnify an atom to the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be like a tiny grain of sand at the center, with the electrons buzzing around in the stands. It's a mind-blowing realization that challenges our perception of solid matter. Now, let's talk about the periodic table. This iconic chart organizes all known elements based on their atomic structure. Each element is defined by the number of protons in its nucleus, which determines its unique properties. From the lightest element, hydrogen, to the heaviest, uranium. The periodic table showcases the incredible diversity of matter in the universe. But the mystery doesn't end there. Scientists have delved deeper into the subatomic realm, discovering particles like quarks and leptons that make up protons, neutrons, and electrons. These fundamental particles interact through powerful forces, shaping the behavior of matter on a fundamental level. So, the next time you hold a rock in your hand or gaze up at the stars, remember the enigmatic nature of matter that surrounds us. It's a complex web of particles and forces that continues to captivate our curiosity and drive scientific exploration. The mystery of matter is a never-ending journey of discovery, inviting us to unravel the secrets of the universe one atom at a time.
Have you ever wondered about the mysterious world of nuclear fusion and fission? It's like a cosmic dance happening at the atomic level where unimaginable forces are at play. Picture this. In nuclear fusion, atoms are smashed together at incredibly high speeds, releasing massive amounts of energy in the process. It's the same process that powers the sun and stars, creating the intense heat and light that sustains life as we know it. On the other hand, nuclear fission involves splitting atoms apart, releasing energy in the form of heat and radiation. This process is used in nuclear power plants to generate electricity, but it also has the potential for destruction if not controlled properly. The mystery lies in the delicate balance between these two processes. Scientists are constantly striving to harness the power of nuclear fusion as a clean and virtually limitless energy source, but the challenges are immense. The temperatures and pressures required to initiate fusion reactions are mind-boggling, and containment is a major hurdle to overcome. Meanwhile, nuclear fission continues to be a controversial topic, with concerns about safety, waste disposal, and the potential for accidents or misuse. The specter of nuclear weapons looms large, reminding us of the awesome power that can be unleashed when atoms are split apart. As we delve deeper into the world of nuclear fusion and fission, we uncover a realm of scientific discovery and technological innovation that holds both promise and peril. The quest for clean, sustainable energy drives us forward, but we must proceed with caution and respect for the awesome forces at play. So, next time you flip a switch or gaze at the stars, remember the intricate dance of nuclear fusion and fission unfolding all around us, shaping our world in ways both seen and unseen. The mystery continues, waiting to be unraveled by the curious minds and daring spirits of humanity. Have you ever wondered about the mysterious properties of liquid nitrogen? Picture this, a substance so cold that it can freeze almost anything instantly. I'm here to unravel the secrets behind this fascinating element. Liquid nitrogen is not your average liquid. It's incredibly cold, boiling at a bone-chilling temperature of -196 degrees Celsius. When exposed to room temperature, it evaporates rapidly, creating a mesmerizing fog that seems to dance around objects. But what makes liquid nitrogen truly remarkable is its ability to freeze things in the blink of an eye. From flowers to rubber balls, nothing is safe from its icy touch. The rapid cooling effect can turn everyday items into brittle, frozen wonders. Beyond its freezing capabilities, liquid nitrogen plays a crucial role in various industries. It is used in cryogenics to preserve biological samples, in the food industry for flash freezing, and even in dermatology for certain medical procedures. However, handling liquid nitrogen requires caution. Its extreme cold can cause severe frostbite on contact with skin, and the rapid expansion of nitrogen gas can lead to dangerous pressure buildup in closed containers. Despite its risks, the allure of liquid nitrogen continues to captivate scientists, chefs, and curious minds alike. Its enigmatic properties remind us of the wonders that lie within the realm of science. So next time you encounter the mysterious fog of liquid nitrogen, remember the secrets it holds and the incredible feats it can achieve. The world of science is full of surprises, waiting to be uncovered one frozen mystery at a time.